This video all about oil pastels rendering process for beginners. So hello my friends from all around the globe and welcome to another oil pastel demonstration video. To draw this type of monument structure and its water reflection, I am taking equally folded paper and making outline of the monument. After extracting the outline portion, finally we get a structure of Taj Mahal for silhouette artistry. Mostly I use normal paper called art paper, available on my local market. You can use any kind of rough texture paper or canvas for oil pastel. As you see, I am adding masking tape and self tape for decorative edging. Basically this sky color combination are orange and blue. Here I am using different color set symmetrically for smooth blending. Now I am using Prussian blue instead of Cillian blue for little bit dark reflection. I am using tissue paper as a blending tool light to dark areas. Blending is also an important part of a sky drawing with oil pastel. If you smooth blend oil pastel, it will look much more pleasing. Twilight dramatic clouds are usually darker, so I am using stone grey. You don't need exact color, you can use any dark color. This is how I make those layered structure of Taj Mahal. careful while removing tape, it might tear your drawing. And now complete the drawing. I hope this video little bit helps you. If you have any question or any suggestion and what do you think about the drawing, please let me know through your comment section. Thanks for the love and support. I'll see you guys in the next one. Wish you all the best.